Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I am Marlith Naraga, a Teacher 1 applicant from San Isidro District, major in Biological Science, NC3 holder, which is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a process of tracking of all your company financial transactions, where your business is spending money, where your revenue came from, and which tax deduction that you will claim. Why does bookkeeping matters? Bookkeeping, bookkeeping will help you identify the financial mistakes. The bookkeeping will help you or catch more tax deduction, and bookkeeping will help you, will give you business loans. And the last one, bookkeeping will give you a clear picture of where is your money is going. Now, this time, let me discuss you about on how to make a journal entry. So, journal entry are the first step in the accounting cycle and are used to record all business transactions and events in the accounting event. So this time in journal entry, this is the first procedure in doing the accounting events or cycle. So there are 3 steps in journal entry. The first one is business transaction is identified, must identified. The second one is you need to analyze the business transaction in order for you to know the accounting transaction or accounting events. The third one is, of course, to record. It is to record your journal entries, wherein makikita natin dito na kung ano ang mangyayari sa inyong business transaction. So I will show you the sample of list of business transaction. So this one, the Kobe Merchandise Enterprises, wherein it is the for the month of April 2020. This is the business transaction of Kobe Merchandise Enterprises. So April 1, 2020, Kobe Merchandise Enterprises invested 200,000. Before we proceed, I will just reminded you that journal entry will be using debit and credit, wherein debit and credit are always balanced. So we have the acronym DC Adler, meaning under the debit and credit, we're always balanced. Under debit is the aid, the assets, drawings, and expenses, while in the credit, under the credit is the liabilities, the equity, and the revenue. So this is the part of we will be observing, or we will find it in the list of the business transaction. So April 1, 2020, Kobe Merchandise Enterprises invested 200,000 pesos. So I will show you the exact journal entry of this month. So April 1, 2020. So the debit there is the cash. So we will put the cash here in the left side of the journal, cash, and the credit side is this part, the right side, or give just space on the. Dapat hindi siya nakalinya sa debit. So, in order for us to identify the credit side. So, this one is the credit side. And this is the explanation wherein para madali nating makita or ma-find kung ano ang nangyari sa April 1. So, April 1, Kobe's Capital Merchandise Enterprises Investment. So, this is we will put the debit, the amount of the date. So 200,000 is the investment and the credit is 200,000. So as you've observed, they are the same and equal. So another example is office supplies is under the assets. And assets is belong to the debit. So debit office supply. So we will put this in the debit side, and the cash here is the credit side. So any questions? So dapat hindi tayo magkakamali dito sa pag-entry ng journal upang hindi tayo babalik sa umpisa. And that will be all. Thank you.